listen to one vlog all day long, this is the one you should listen to. TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique and awesome. The man behind the camera is the fucking man on the stage, alright?
Detail world, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it out here to this first stop. We out here in Green Hills, Tennessee, man. We about to work on this Volvo XC90. We're gonna go ahead and work on the interior first. Like as always, man, I already got out the utensils and things. I didn't bring out the pressure washer yet, but I already got the vacuum, all purpose and utensils and brushes and things like that, ready to get this day started. I hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, or evening. But if you look in here, got your typical debris, you know, your sticks, your twigs, you see a little bit of tissue, you see wrappers, hangers, see some type of confetti type paper. So you can tell she have a kid. You see a little metal, see a metal right there with somebody thing, but it's trashy in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get in here, you know, wipe down. Like I say, one thing about this having this plastic is black plastic everywhere and the chromes and stuff like that. So it take a little bit of time. I'm happy she already got the leg rest out, stuff like that. So clean the leg rest. Let these seats back, because most seats are let back. So, you know, grab it right here. Let the seat back, vacuum back there, vacuum the back of the seat. Make sure we get inside the doors, wipe the doors. Make sure we clean the interior windows and the exterior windows. And then after we done with the interior car, we come out here, wash the exterior, dry it off, spray wax it, pull it up, get paid, head to our next stop. I believe we got like 4 or 5 more appointments today. I know the weather's supposed to be a little iffy the next few days, so I'm not sure if anybody canceled, but if they do, if they don't, really wouldn't bother me, because like I try to tell people, that's the best thing about my business. It ain't like most of my customers go anywhere. They're just gonna reschedule with me till the weather get better. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the cracking. Go ahead and knock in the interior of this Volvo XC90. You see what it says right there, Inception version. So we're gonna go ahead and do what we do, man. It's a beautiful day. You see the sky pretty clear, no clouds, things like that. See, we got the van nice and clean. But on that note, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Oh, first and foremost, you know, if you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button, man. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish this Volvo XC90. Got the whole car completely done, interior, exterior of the car. Took about an hour, so we are about done. It's 10:49. We probably got here about 9:30. So you see it, but car got a nice little glow show. You know how it is. You know, nice little interior cleaning. Make sure we wipe down everything, cleaning off all the plastic, wipe down the screens, steering wheel, brake pedals, the foot holder, mats, seats, cup holders, things, everything, man. So we got the whole car done. Wipe the door jambs down, stuff like that. So the car looked good, man. But we about to head to the next stop. She a new customer. I don't exactly know how far it is from here, so I'm about to put it in the GPS, see how far I gotta go. But on that note, man, we out here working, so I hope you working too. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We done made it to the second stop right here. We out here in Antioch, actually where I live, not too far. My house is probably that way. But anyway, man, we about to go ahead and knock the interior of this car. She wanted to get it detailed and stuff like that. She's not here, her boyfriend was here, but it was one of the things he showed me. She wasted some coffee on the seat. I remember her mentioning that, but I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I get that off. But the rest of the car is fairly clean. You know what I mean? It's not really that bad. So, you know, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with that woo-wop the bam. You see they got some real dirty door jams, so you always gotta make sure you clean these door jams too, man. And then, you know, Tennessee, I was just notified, if that's the right word I'm using, I was just put on some game that Tennessee is actually one of the states that put out the most pollen per capita in certain places of Tennessee. May not be Nashville, but I'm trying to tell you, the pollen here in Nashville is ridiculous, man. Like when I say it's ridiculous, it is ridiculous. I mean, I don't have allergies, but I'm trying to tell you, the pollen, it get to you, man. But yeah, I'm right now just taking out the mats. You know, taking out the mats is what makes the job a little bit easier when it comes to vacuuming and stuff like that. So you always want to make sure you take out the mats. But I already got everything out. Got this tracked out so I can get that carpet stain off, stuff like that. But y'all know me, I ain't finna continue running my mouth, man. So I'm finna go ahead and start on this work, man. And like always, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We finally finished this Toyota. I think this is a Toyota Corolla. I never even said what type of, I never really looked to see what type of car this is. But that's a Corolla, I figured that, man. But it's a Toyota Corolla. We got the whole car knocked out, in and out. But yeah, other than that, remember that stain that was on the seat, we got it completely done. We got the whole car completely knocked out doors. You know how we do it. The whole 9-yard, door jams, windows, wheels, you know. But we about done. The next stop probably about 20 minutes from here. So I'm about to hop in the van, drive there. Then we got 2 more stops. So you already know how it go, man. I hope y'all having a glorious day. I know y'all ain't seen my face yet, so y'all already know how that go, man. Stick to the script, stay consistent, stay relentless, stay persistent. And I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to this last stop of the day. The last customer actually asked, can they reschedule because of the rain that's coming the next few days, but I've been mentioning that the whole vlog. But other than that, man, we working on this Ford Explorer. About to get ready to knock out the exterior of the car. We already did the interior of the car. I'm just trying to get finished, man. Starting to heat up out here. But on that note, man, if you look at the wheels, they're very dirty, you know what I mean? But if you look at the exterior of the car looks good. You got it looking right. She had a few water spots on the seat. She wanted up, so we made sure we got them up. But let's go ahead and finish this car, man, so I can get out of here, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Hi, Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done finished this last car today, which is this Ford Explorer. Like I said, my last stop really canceled because of the rain that's coming the next few days, and I'm not really mad about that, man. I get to go home and do some things I need to take care of, like clean my living room, things like that. But on that note, I know y'all probably ain't seen my face all day, but like always, one love, man. Love thyself. Can't love nobody without loving yourself, and remember that, man. I know y'all be like, T, why you say it all the time, and I'm gonna keep saying it. So remember that, man. And on that note, like always, man, peace.
You can listen to one vlog all day long. This is the one you should listen to. TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique and awesome. The man behind the camera is the fucking man on the stage, all right?